Hey guys, wanted to make a quick update video for you on what I kept from my recent Trendsend unboxings. I did two in quick succession because as I explained in the first one box they thought got lost in the mail. They sent me a replacement box done by a different stylist, and since the two related and the second box wasn't that great, I just decided to give you a bonus unboxing this past week. So I didn't decide to keep anything from the first box, even though I felt like it was my regular stylist and she did a better job of styling me, because that one was no longer in my checkout. They had to get rid of those things and put the things from the new box in when they thought that the first box had been lost. And the second box I didn't like so well, but I decided not to get anything from the first one because I was afraid with it not being on the website and just going on my word. I just saw potential for muddying the waters. So I passed on everything in that box, and in the second box, I didn't like most of it except this jacket. I just loved it. So it's a kind of a Sherpa bomber jacket. It's warm and cozy, but not super heavy. It's really perfect when I want to take the dogs out on a little bit more blustery day, but it's not warm enough for a real warm coat. So anyway, I love this thing. A great thing happened. It was listed at $119. One of you great folks, I still don't know who, if you would like to identify yourself, I would love to thank you, but had used my referral link, and so I got 20% off of it. Additionally, a Trendsend, after my very first Trendsend purchase a couple of months ago, they sent me a $15 off coupon. I applied that, and then they gave me a $20 styling fee back, even though I didn't pay a styling fee in the first place. They waived it when the first box was lost. So after all of that, the price of the jacket came down to, I think, $59 with tax. It was just less than 65 bucks. So I felt like that was a great price for this super, super cute jacket. And then there was one top in the first box. It was gray, and it felt like, I mentioned when I was doing that video that I felt like I was accumulating gray shirts, and I really liked the top. And I got an email that exact top in a different color. They were offering it, instead of for the $98 regular price that was in my first box, my first unboxing last week, that they were offering it for $58. So I had to get it. And I went ahead and I sized down one. It was a medium when I tried it on, and I felt like it had just a little tiny bit too, I felt like I would do better in a smaller size. So even though, you know, oversized is kind of a thing right now, I tend to do a little bit better in more fitted. So I am really happy with this one. I think this will be great for Christmas Day. As I film this, it's right before Christmas. It's going to be a couple weeks ahead for you guys. But I did wind up with something for Christmassy. So anyway, Trendsend did me right. Saved money on both things. Difficult to do in these boxes, but it actually happened. And I'm super happy, and I'm looking forward to whenever I get around to doing my next Trendsend. Okay, I've talked long enough. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye, and be blessed.